Hot Wheels, Mud Studs, 5-pack. Hey Hot Wheels fans, welcome back to Motor Reel. Today we have an exciting unboxing for you, the Hot Wheels Mud Studs 5-pack. These rugged off-road warriors are ready to take on any terrain. Let's dive in and check out each car. This 5-pack includes 5 awesome vehicles: the Bone Shaker, Blade Raider, Chevrolet Silverado Off-Road, Sand Blaster, and Terrain Storm. Let's get these bad boys out of the box. First up, we have the Bone Shaker. This iconic Hot Wheels car features a fierce skull grille and massive exposed engine. It's designed to dominate the dirt tracks with style. Next, we have the Blade Raider. This sleek off-road racer comes with a sharp design and aerodynamic body, perfect for high-speed desert adventures. Now, let's check out the Chevrolet Silverado Off-Road. This beast of a truck is built for heavy-duty action with its lifted suspension and rugged tires. It's ready to tackle the toughest trails. Moving on, we have the Sand Blaster. This truck is a true off-road warrior with its aggressive stance and powerful engine. It's made for conquering sandy dunes and rough terrains. And last but not least, we have the Terrain Storm. This futuristic off-roader comes with a unique design and advanced suspension system, perfect for navigating any kind of... There you have it, the Hot Wheels Mud Studs 5-pack. Each car brings its own unique flair to the off-road world. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.